Who said you can't be cute and still quarantined?
Yeah. Yeah. Back up on my.
So hey everybody, my name is India, and I'm bringing you this everyday makeup look. It's given very much. It's just given period. It's just given. So if you want to see how I achieve this look with all products under $30, this everyday makeup look, just keep watching. If you enjoy, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think. So of course I start with my eyebrows. This is my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip brow pomade in ebony. I've been literally using this since probably 10th grade of high school. This is like almost $30, I think. I don't remember, but it's been like, this has lasted me at least 4 years. I don't remember when I bought it, but I definitely did not buy one in college. So I'm just thinking about the fact that like this whole coronavirus stuff, and I hate to be the one to bring it, but this coronavirus stuff, it's messing up all the plans. Graduation, what's that? You take the spoolie. Is it spoolie or spoolie? I don't know. You take the spoolie and you brush your hairs so that they blend. It's a nice, easy transition. And then okay, I used to never wear foundation, and I'm still trying to get into the midst of it and get into the habit. So put a little bit on my hand. Okay, so basically just line the bottom of it. I'm lining it with my foundation, and I'm gonna go in again with my concealer to lighten it up at the bottom. But then the top, I'm only gonna line it with my foundation because look at that. Stop playing. And then I don't like to like blend back and forth. I like to drag it up. I like to drag it upwards, because then you still preserve your nice outline. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and now I'm going in and blending that baby out. I feel like this lighting is kind of weird. Like, it's like flushing me out, so you can't really see like the real. You can't really see like the real. It's kind of darker, but I feel like you can see on the camera. You can see like how I'm blending it better. Before it just automatically looks blended, and I mean, it's not how life works. This is my foundation. I could drag it down about 3 lines. And you can see my face is really not even like, I don't need that full of a coverage. And this is too much right here. I just need something lightweight, not too crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with this flat top brush from Real Techniques. I think it's a flat top. It's a buffing brush. I really don't usually put foundation all the way down there, but oh, so I used to use beauty blenders. I did. But then I saw that like makeup artists don't really use beauty blenders. They use brushes, and I think it's because like sanitary wise, that like makes the most sense. But then I started thinking, you know, if makeup artists use brushes, should I be using brushes? Okay, this looks a little tiny bit light, but I'm going to blend and contour. I think this is actually fine. This is perfect. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So that was my foundation. And then I'm gonna go in. Okay, and that was the Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection Foundation in the color medium 29. Oh, Camel Intense. Or Intense Camel. One is supposed to be Spanish and one is supposed to be English, but spelled exactly the same. Anyway, Sephora foundation. And then this is it? No, it's not focused. Whatever. That's the name. Intense Camel. I said Camel Intense. That's clearly not the English one. Camel Intense. What were you thinking? So, okay. Again, this is a Too Faced concealer, multi-use sculpting concealer, Born This Way, in the color Sand. Put it in my T-zone areas, tiny bit on my nose, under my eyes, and then forgot to go up here. I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush that I used to blend my foundation. And because it will have a little bit of foundation still left on, it helps to blend. Like, look how this side has blended compared to this one. Okay, so now we're looking a little better. Get my on vacation or on spring break, my friend gave me this. So she had a Kat Von D Lock-It brightening powder in golden that is too light for her. So the Lock-It powder is not too light for me. So this is when I do use the beauty blender. I really don't mind wetting it because it really doesn't matter. Or it's not even a beauty blender, it's like a random sponge. But this is literally the only reason why I use it, to put powder on me. You know what? I should have done a higher highlight, but whatever. That's what I was doing on spring break. I was doing a very snatched look. And then we bring it up here. You start to snatch the nose. At least I think you do. You know, my nose, I don't have a problem with my nose. I really don't think noses are ugly. Like, I don't know of anyone who I would like say, oh no, you need a nose job. Sometimes I really think you look better, or I look better with the, anyway. Sometimes I really think I look better with the powder on. Like if I was to, no, not today. This is another holy grail. I got this when I first started, oh Lord, look at my nose. I got this when I first started doing makeup and I still have it. I think like me and my friend were like, I'm light skinned, she's dark skinned. And so the ones that I use, she doesn't use, and the ones that she doesn't use, I use. The ones that she uses, I don't. Anyway, we switched. So that's why this has lasted so long, because we just switch out the palettes. Like, I use up all the light color, she uses up all the dark color, and I need the light color. I almost had a fit. The camera cut off and I like thought I like that video deleted and I was going to be hurt. Anyway, I'm taking, look how messed up this palette is. I'm taking the golden bronzer. This is like $18 at Ulta. And this cheap brush. You want to kind of suck in, make a line, and then fill in that line. So My go-to, honestly, is to throw a little bit of red in there. Yeah, it's happening. So over winter break, this beauty was on sale, and oh, has it been my best friend. Like, it's gotten to the point where like I would just do my makeup just because I want to use it. And okay, so it's a Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. This is my first Morphe palette. It was like on sale for like $25. You know why I bought it? I did not know Morphe was in Ulta. Like, I just happened to be in Ulta, and I've never gotten a Morphe palette because I'm not like buying one online. So look at this beauty, and it's so freaking pigmented, y'all. Like, I put the green on my dark skinned friend, and it came up so, I didn't think about that. I just put green on my freaking brush. What in a St. Patrick's Day? But it was so pigmented on her. It was so pigmented on her. Like, every color showed up on her. And if you are dark skinned, have you ever done makeup on someone who's dark skinned, you know how difficult it is to find colors that don't, you know, get lost in their skin tone. So this is the brush. I went into this thing. This like little rustic orange is my favorite. Yeah, so I'm picking it up, tapping it where I want it, and then blending out the rest. So you have the bulk of the product where you want it, and then blending out the rest. But I just had to pick up. Oop, I may have been too happy with this. Oop. Okay. Let's put this down. Getting a little carried away now. Not how dark I wanted it, but it's okay. But I do want to have a shadow. So let's go in with a darker brown. Let's see how this one works. I'm tapping a little bit. Like I said, this is super pigmented. You gotta be super careful. And that's also one of the reasons why you have to like, well, I like to tap it where I want it first. Otherwise, you'll just drag the whole thing across. Okay, I'm gonna take this. This is fine. I don't want it. Oh, literally as I was saying I don't want anything on my lid, I'm going to put something on my lid. Let's go with this lighter orange. And it's a lid color, so I want it to be a little brighter. Okay. Thumbnails. Do I have something to it could have been this. Oh god, what am I doing? Period. Boomerang. Who makes their own boomerang? Okay. Featuring my go-to products. The light color is my color. The good thing about this, it doesn't have to be exactly you. I've used this palette on a variety of shades. A variety of shades. Pretty good, y'all. I am looking pretty light though. The good thing about that is, so two things. One, I always like to contour a little bit more after I take off that powder, because sometimes you can lose a little definition, you know. And two, oh, not too much. For the most part, you can always like redeem yourself in makeup. Holy grail, holy grail. This bad boy has been through everything. Got this as a birthday present for my sister, I think 3 years ago. Estee Lauder, the Estee Edit. It came in a pack. It was this one and the black one. I think it was a limited edition, honestly, because I don't know if they sell it anymore. But you can tell how much I like it by how much is gone. You see that. Y'all see that. Now we drench. This is a calm makeup look. All my products were really under like $30, all of them. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, comment below. You know, that's what the YouTubers say. Tell me what you're doing during social isolation. Follow my Instagram at India Sabri. And let me know what else you want to see. On my Instagram, actually, there's a picture of my birthday makeup. If y'all want to see how I did that, let me know. I can make that too, because that was, y'all went off. I went off. Okay, so yeah, you know, we have a lot of time on our hands. I'll be watching a lot of videos on YouTube. I'm sure you will be too. So just let me know what you want to see and I can make it happen for you. Adios. Oh my goodness, my nail.
Yeah.